Carly was friends with a girl. The girl was Justin, because me can't call people name. Because I have proof and I have receipts. They didn't tell me, but I found out, okay? I'm not going to tell you how I found out, but when I found out, I confronted Justin, I confronted the girl, I confronted Carly. You listening to the story, right? The girl used to come to my house to do my makeup. She used to come at my house all when Justin in at the house. Mind you, they used to have a relationship. When I confronted them said it was before me, so they didn't feel like, oh, I didn't to tell me it's not no. Them stop talk, and I did before me, and them never feel like it was nothing because of this and because of that. I don't care if it was 100 BC. If you're gonna come to my home when my man there, in my face, I do my face, you need to say that. Like, don't hide behind my back being my man's ex-woman and up in my face. What? Who is crazy people? Who does that? That's crazy. And you know the worst thing about it? Them turn around and make it look like I'm me crazy. So who not gonna tell me if me crazy? No, listen to the story again. Because when I'm upset, I realize even on camera, I don't know how to explain myself. Because I'm the type of person I've never had to explain myself to nobody. When I get my conclusion, I'm out. I'm done. I'm like that. That's just who I am. I can't change that. And I understand on social media, when people come off real, you don't take it as fake. But when somebody real, you don't understand. So listen again. Carly was friends with a girl. She's also a makeup artist. Her name now come to me, but I gotta remember the name. Because she have the audacity. Me have her screenshot. She go in on my DM and text me about, why you telling Carly this and that? The girl used to live at Carly yard. She used to live with Carly. But she's also a makeup artist, so she used to do my face. So I used to make her come to my house to do my face. So she's coming to my house, she's laughing in my face, she's laughing up with Justin. Then they act like cookie. When we find out that is Justin ex-gal when we used to. So when me go to she said, oh, it was before her. But you know, that God tell the kids I give it a pillar. Me a girl, me not in the foolishness. I saw me stay. Me very just chop. So that's why I want to see more the rest. I want to find out, argument done. So I want to know now. So we want to take it and run with it, take it and run with it. But when thing Gracie I go do, I talk her truth, and Gracie I go always lay it out on the table and move on. I mean, not care and give that. So them claims that because it was before me, I shouldn't feel no way, but I still did feel a way. So if you feel like I shouldn't feel a way, y'all can tell me, okay? Y'all be fair and tell me, right? After I went to Carly about it, because remember, I know, the girl lived with Carly, and them say Carly know about it and she never tell me because she never said the need to tell me because it was before me. But even after I go to her and say, Carly, can you believe this girl been in my house for 2 years? Wait, more than 2 years. Because she was in my apartment before I bought my first house in Atlanta. Because the house that I'm living in now, that's not my first house. So at first I was renting an apartment. That girl used to do my face. So it's 5 years. Hey. Mighty God of Daniel. Jesus Christ. The girl there in my yard, I do my face for 5 years. And she used to take the man. She used to sit the man. And she never tell me. And she come on my yard when Justin there. She had do my makeup. She and Justin a friend. And she in my house with the man. And them I go turn around and say, them never need to tell me because it was before me.
Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? It's your girl Nadia Official. Boy, may I tell you, people, this serious. Me not lie. Me no like woman friend, brother. That a one thing me no like. The baga woman friend, I don't like it. And brother, this is the reason why. Now, in case you don't really understand what I'm going right here, so Spice is talking about her friendship that she had with Carly. And Spice talk about what really happened between she and the Ras. Yeah, the Rasta man that she was in a relationship with. And you know say this really go down. Wow. I don't know how I would feel to know that my man, ex-woman, is doing my makeup and me no know say them used to day. Me no know how would feel about that. Would feel like say some of the time them a laugh and them a kiki while them did doing makeup or shit in my house and them something there. Would I even feel like say sometime I probably me them a laugh after. Me no know me para them weird. I am paranoid like that. Like why? Some people bare face, I think this is something that she needed to know. Yeah. All three parties should have really let her know. Yeah. Especially when somebody are going to your house. Me picky about people who are coming to my house, brother. Especially when people who are coming to your house, people are doing your makeup in your face. Yo, me no know. People, let me know how you feel about this one in the comment section. But for me, yeah, would I feel a way. Me with Spice with that one here. So, uno out there, let me know how uno feel about that one here. Uno don't know, say, this is a girl that they official, always keep things real, always keep things official. Big up on yourself out there, people. Thanks to each and every one of you guys who take time out of your busy schedule to watch a video for me. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the shares, and the DM message. And to all of my top supporters, them with the bad side I want to name, a big thank you to each and every one of uno. And to all of the people who subscribe, uno don't know, say gratitude is a must. Humbleness is a must. Big respect to everybody. Uno don't know say I found a place. So uno free to comment anything uno want to comment. No comment has ever been deleted. Yeah man, me no do that something there. So let me know what uno feel in the comment section. But keep it respectful. Yeah, right, true. But I may tell you no, this one nah lie. This one bigger than me. Big up on yourself out there, people. Peace. I'm out. Bye.